Hi, this is Gitta with Gitta Sells and Associates, Keller Williams Realty, right here in the greater Orlando area. As many of you know, we have been selling real estate in this area for a pretty long time, actually since 1988, and with my team, I've sold thousands of homes. Welcome to my Facebook live session, where I'm introducing Julia Berry, loan officer with Carrington Home Loans, and her partner Heather Holland, which is also a mortgage originator. They are Zillow partners with us, and they want to share with you some great loan programs Carrington Home Loans are offering. Before we start, Julie, share with our audience some of your background. How long have you been in the mortgage business? And how about you, Heather? Give us then your background. And before I forget, please make sure you like us on Facebook right down here and share this live session with your friends who might benefit from what we have to discuss. So let's get started with Julia. Go ahead.
Thank you, Gitta, for having us in today. And my name is Julia Berry, as she mentioned, with Carrington Home Loans. And we wanted to get in front of you guys to show you that there's so many ways that you can get a home in this area. To give you a little bit of background about who I am, I've been in the mortgage industry on and off since the early 2000s, went through the recession with most people, and I'm back to help you guys with your home loan purchases. We also do refis and cash outs, so don't let that deter you from giving us a call. But our purpose here today is to let you know that you're dealing with professional, educated, and people that have been in the industry for a while. Heather?
Thank you, Gitta. Thank you for having us.
You're welcome.
I'm fairly new to the industry, actually, as far as mortgages. I've been in the real estate industry for the past 4 years. We are all local here in Lake Mary, and we love to help our customers. Beyond that, satisfying the dream of home ownership is something that we get to do every day under many circumstances, and that's something that Carrington does very strongly.
So, why is it important for buyers to get pre-qualified before they even go out and shop for a home? I share a little story with you. I just had a property which was very desirable. I had multiple offer situation. We had about 8 offers on the property, and we had one buyer in there. They wanted the home so bad, but they couldn't get us a pre-qualification letter, a pre-approval letter in time. They only had a pre-qualification letter. Now, when I go to a seller and present my offers, it has to be a pre-approval letter. Otherwise, they will not accept it. So that's how important it is to get hooked up with a really good mortgage person to get pre-approved.
Absolutely. And Heather, we've both been through this situation with our buyers and coming in after the fact when they've been shopping for loans. And so go ahead and tell them some of the experiences that you've had.
Sure. Well, absolutely. The biggest thing with getting pre-qualified is it's assurance for the seller, the realtor involved, as well as the buyer. Mm-hmm. If we send someone in and they're not pre-qualified, that's an issue. First off, being pre-qualified essentially helps, obviously, the buyer feel comfortable as to what they're able to afford, monthly budget, so that when they are doing that online shopping, they are shopping in the right price range, right areas. And furthermore, when going out with the realtor, it also lets the realtor know, hey, they've already been with someone who's pre-qualified them. They know that they're a strong buyer. Income's been verified. Cash assets have been verified. Credit's been checked. That way, walking in, when you are putting in an offer, you know absolutely that this is something that they can move forward with. And at the end of that, it gives the seller ease to know that this person who is coming to look at the home that they potentially get an offer for is going to be able to close that loan in the time frame that's listed on contracts.
Yeah, that's very, very important. So just make sure you hook up with the right mortgage people to get you the pre-approval letter. Now, how about if someone had a foreclosure, like so many people did? how can they qualify for a mortgage?
And that's one great thing about Carrington Home Mortgage is that we're able to put all types of borrowers into homes. We've all experienced a recession. We know that people have had dings on their credit and have since recovered. The economy's doing well. They're doing well. They've recovered with their income, and they're still not traditional bank customers. We pride ourselves on serving the underserved. And by that I mean not the people that don't deserve to have a mortgage, but the people that can prove that they can substantially carry a mortgage. That means if you've had a foreclosure in the past, if you've had a short sale in the past, if you've had a bankruptcy, we have short seasoning processes for those programs, and it's still very competitive down payments, large loan amounts up to $1.5 million. Self-employed borrowers, we want to talk to you. We now have a 12-month bank statement program, and we want to be able to get you in your home of your dreams. So don't ever think just because your bank has turned you down that there's not a lender in town that can help you, and we want to be that lender of choice. We also offer programs that can help you with your down payment assistance and things of that nature as well.
Oh, yeah.
So I know that that's very
Right.
important
Yeah.
because cash flow may not be what you have a savings account saved up, and so we want to be able to help the people that deserve to have a home and get you out of those high price rentals. And is there anything that you experience in the market that we may be able to share with your audience that would help them?
Well, some people, they just come to us and say, okay, we had a foreclosure, I don't think we can do anything. We had a short sale, I don't think we can do anything. And I would just refer them to you because you can tell them what you can or cannot do for them.
Exactly.
So that would be very helpful.
Once you're if that we say bypass your local bank. We're a direct lender. We service the good majority of our loans. Probably 95% of our loans they stay with Carrington. So you're not going through a pass-through company. You're going to a company that you will continue to work with.
Very good.
We're wanting to earn your business.
Yeah. Okay.
With that, also, when you're going to the bank and, the close times tend to be a little bit longer, but working with a direct lender, you have accessibility to us. All the buyers do. We're local, we're available. You can pick up the phone and call us with any question. They know that they're going to be able to reach us, and we're going to be able to help them with whatever they need through the whole process.
And we don't work 9 to 5, Monday through Friday.
That is very helpful.
Absolutely. I mean, I know
my
personally,
God.
I've sat on the soccer field with my laptop doing pre-qualifications for our realtors.
Yeah.
I know Julia has. We've been out to family dinners, same thing.
Yeah.
So we are the non-traditional hours. We work when the work needs to be done.
Yeah. Very, very important. It is very frustrating to a realtor if they can't get a hold of a mortgage person, especially at night, on the weekend, because if you have anxious buyers on the line, they want to have an answer right now.
Absolutely.
Okay?
We're very familiar with that, and we know that you guys don't work traditional hours.
No.
So we want to we want to cater to your needs and make sure that you guys are able to take care of your buyers as much as we would want to.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
So
how about a VA program? Okay.
That's another great point.
Down payment assistance, you just touched on that. But how about a VA program? Do you have that?
Traditionally, Carrington has been very good at doing government loans. We specialize with your FHA, VA, and we're very proud to work with the veterans in our market. It's 100% loan, 0 down payment, very little closing costs, and that's where we want to get our veterans in homes. We know how important it's been. And that's what we specialize in, are those government VA loans.
Absolutely. And in addition to that, currently with our VA program, it applies to emergency personnel and police officers and sheriffs. We currently are doing a tribute to the heroes. And what that is we offer a $1,000 seller credit towards closings to give to them. Absolutely.
Listen to that.
They deserve that. They've served our country. They should have something back.
I agree. Totally agree. Okay. Very good. Yeah, down payment assistance, we already touched on that. And you are doing that. And so Well, thank you very much for, I believe, this is pretty much at the end. And do you have any questions about this? Ernst, do you see anybody online with any questions? No? Okay. So thank you so much for sharing this knowledge with our friends on Facebook.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, you're very welcome. And also send us a message or post us on Facebook any kind of questions. We would love to answer them. And make sure you like us on Facebook and share this with all your friends, okay? I'm sure they will appreciate all the knowledge you brought to us this morning.
And you can, once you message Gitta on Facebook, she can get you in touch with Heather or I, and she'll have all of our contact information. So thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.